Niche's lifetime deal. Get amazing content, images and niche in 60 seconds. The Niche's lifetime deal offers a rapid solution for generating quality content and images, alongside profitable niche ideas. Excitement buzzes in the digital world with the Niches. Imagine creating content, images, and business ideas in seconds. This is not just a dream but a reality with Niches. Unlock your marketing potential in under a minute with this innovative tool. Niches is a revolutionary tool. It helps you craft compelling content quickly. It generates stunning images and profitable ideas too. Discover the power of Niches, a versatile AI-driven platform designed to boost your content strategy. Its intuitive interface and fast generation features ensure that you're not just keeping up with the competition but staying ahead. Break free from writer's block with Niches AI-generated content. This powerful feature uses advanced algorithms to craft original, high-quality text for various uses. Say goodbye to writer's block and tedious brainstorming sessions. Embrace efficiency through advanced technology that powers your content strategy. Time is precious, especially in the digital world. Niches understands this urgency. With just a few clicks, you can generate a complete article or social media post before your coffee cools. Discover the might of Niches in a market packed with competitors. Niches has garnered attention by offering an all-in-one solution for generating content, images, and lucrative niche ideas swiftly. Niches offers a unique blend of features that eminent competitors may overlook. Its lightning-fast content generation is just the start. With Niches, users gain a holistic service suite, ensuring content creation is no longer a chore but a swift, enjoyable process. Artificial intelligence, AI, is now a key player in content creation. Niches harnesses AI to provide instant results. This tool brings not just speed but also precision to the content. The Niches lifetime deal is more than a temporary fix, it's a glimpse into the content industry's future. Its long-term impact is evident in several ways. With AI-driven tools like Niches, the industry is moving towards more personalized and targeted content. This benefits both creators and their audience, leading to better engagement. With Niches, you're not just buying a tool, you're unlocking a creative ally. Are you overwhelmed by content demands? Do you struggle to find fresh ideas? Niches could be your savior. It's ideal for marketers, bloggers, or any entrepreneur looking to spice up their content game. Still on the fence? Niches offers a money-back guarantee. This shows the confidence behind this dynamic platform. Your satisfaction is the priority. Remember, the digital landscape waits for no one. Join the ranks of Niches users who enjoy streamlined content creation, giving them an edge in their respective niches. Time to wrap up our journey with the Niches lifetime deal. The Niches lifetime deal offers unlimited access to a tool that generates content, images, and business ideas quickly. It's designed to provide instant solutions for various niches. So, why not try it for yourself? Just click on the link below description box and get easy access as well. Start to achieve your goal. Please like this video and subscribe for channel. Thanks and happy moment.